Welcome to today's video. If you're someone who struggles with writer's block or simply needs a way to speed up your writing process, then you are in the right place. In this video, we're diving into how to use Notion AI's content suggestions feature to write faster and more efficiently. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Notion AI is a powerful tool that many of us already use to organize tasks, take notes, and manage project. But did you know that it also has an AI powered writing assistant built right into it? Notion AI can help you generate content ideas, expand on your thoughts, and even improve your quality of your writing. Let's explore how to make the most out of it. So, Notion AI's content suggestions feature provides you with the relevant prompts based on the type of writing you're working on. Whether you're drafting a blog post, email, or reports, the AI will analyze your input and suggest improvements or ideas that you might not have thought of. So, first of all, go and start with the simple idea, right? Click the Notion AI at the bottom right. Start with a simple idea. The beauty of Notion AI is that you don't have to start with a perfect draft. You can start with just few key points. The AI will help fill in the gaps. It can help you brainstorm ideas, create outlines, or even generate entire paragraphs based on a single sentence or question. Let AI expand your ideas. Once you have your initial thoughts down, let's have an example, about let's write about a, let's say, YouTube, not YouTube, uh, write about how to improve my content creation, right? And then you gotta hit enter. In my case, I can't get the answer because I leverage all of my free AI responses, but you can do that on your own time if you have the free version or you have the add-on, right, or the premium, so you can get unlimited AI responses, right? And once you have your initial thoughts down, you can use content suggestions to expand on them. Like Notion AI will offer ways to elaborate on key points, introduce new perspectives, or suggest data and examples back up your arguments. This is a great way to enrich your content without spending hours doing research. Use AI to clarify and structure in structure. If you are writing something longer, like an article or report, Notion AI can help you organize that content, right? So you can just add your content right here and ask AI, right? Let's have an example. I'm gonna add the article I just copied, right? This one, and just you could just type under it, right? Write a, or basically organize this article, right? Or a blog for that matter, or report. Notion AI can help you organize your your article or report. It can suggest ways to break your content into sections, improve your structure, and even recommend more concise ways to express your ideas. This can save you a lot of time revising and restructuring later. Rewrite and refine your sentences. One of the most time consuming parts of the writing is refining your sentences. With Notion AI's content suggestion, you can just type refine this report slash article, right? If you're writing that, and hit enter, right? You can easily improve basically sentence structure, tone, and word choice. Just highlight a part of your text, right? You can say this section, right? Let's say right here, the Women's History Month, right? Women's History Month. You can just type right here, organize that part of the article slash report, right? And the AI will offer alternatives that sound more polished or professional, okay? And in conclusion, by using AI content suggestions, you can drastically speed up your writing process. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, improving your structure, or refining your wording, the AI is a valuable tool to make the process smoother and faster. So, next time you sit down to write, give Notion AI a try and let it take your content to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Happy writing. See you.